Hi, this is Errol and I like to show you the RSS feed feature. It's new and I'm going to show you how it works. You put in the feed URL, for example this one, check if it's really if there is really a feed. I give it a name, select site, I'm going to put it to News Mules. By the way, you can validate if it works. Takes a while. It finds 10 items found. Let's see. This is, by the way, in Dutch, but it's okay, you know, because the good thing is after the category I choose news, we can say language English. So this is really great, because if you find some Spanish, whatever article you really like, or a blog you really like, and you think it's worth to post on your sites, you can take the language whatever you want. Anyway, keep in mind what this RSS feed system is doing. It analyzes the content of the original and it is totally rewriting it, but the essence of course will be the same, but it will be a natural, good looking article, and it will not be exactly the same at all. So it's really good, because as you remember, we in the past, we as link builders, we used RSS feeds and we get all the time duplicate content. Of course on other sites it's not a problem, but you get problems with publishing rights and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, English, we use the prompt default for now. Use the default because I'm busy creating other prompts depending of the niche. You see advanced settings, daily 1 post. You can say you can do 5 posts. I would not do it. There's one other thing I want to mention is this is not an automatic system. Maybe it comes, but then you have to keep in mind that you need a VPS, so your browser is 24/7 on, right? So for now we take 1 post. You can filter keywords, you include or exclude. I never use it, but it's, if you really want it, it's in. You can custom rewrite the prompt, and here you see automatically generate featured image. It's on. So for now I go for it. I add the feed and I'm gonna say okay, process. We're gonna do to the news mules. We say process, and there it goes. Now we have to wait. So we're back. We go to view items, and here is the post. You can see view published post. If you click on it, you go to it. Featured image generated, and you can see when the date is published. So we go to view published post, and here it is. You have a real nice image. And that's what it is. That's, I think, is the perfect RSS feed processor. You have original content. You can put it in every language you want. There is a disclaimer, by the way, so which is good also for this kind of feeds. So that's what it is doing. So happy feeding. Bye bye.